Okay, now, good day everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope you are fine. Welcome to our tutorial. This is Studio Bajapai. Okay, I quickly want us to brush through general arrangements for structural engineers like us, like this. For us to be able to do any modeling, any analysis on data structure, we must get our general arrangements ready, and with the aid of AutoCAD, that will be done. So, for the sake of those who don't have full knowledge of AutoCAD, how to use AutoCAD, so I would love us to develop our own plan from scratch, in which you'll be able to learn and get yourself familiar with all the tools you will be needed. Because you still need to come back here to do your detailing, so you must still know how to go about everything we have planned here. So nothing much, but the first thing I would like us to do is to set our units. So by pressing option, typing option on your keyboard. I don't want this video to be long, it will be very short. Option, is options. Okay, so nothing much for this. Let's start with files display. Yes, I preferred dark instead. You can use lights. Let's apply and see the changes. As you can see, it is now what, white, but I prefer this. So save. It will be preferable for you to be saving in with a lower version of your current AutoCAD. So that's 2020. Should be saving it with 2027. So in case you want to transfer your AutoCAD file to anybody which might be using lower version to your to be able to access whatever you've sent to them. So now I'm using 2020, but I'm saving my as what 2007. That one, publish and plot, display, user preferences. You can just navigate through all these things anyhow you want it. Selection, all these tools, how you want it to be big or small. So where am I going to set the unit? Here you see dimension. Yes, here is the dimension. You see the dimension in the unit as space. If you want to use inches, change it, but me I use millimeter. So apply. Okay, that is all about what I want to do here. So I would love us to set our layers first. Yes. Don't worry, you still get to when you're going to import any drawing you want to work on. So after importing any drawing you want to work on, so you'll be able to do whatever you want to do. But now I want us to create a plan together from start and do the general arrangement. Go for the modeling and analysis detailing. So okay, from here you have to click new layer, click it. So we are going to need wall for our lines, wall, enter, click again, another one. We are going to need grid lines, and press tab and enter. Beams, if you don't get that, please just click layer. So tab, enter. Columns. What else? You don't need slab, just that, enter. So now before you go back, just make sure you set the weight, line weight, and the color. You can't just use white for everything. You won't be able to recognize which one. So I do prefer red for columns. I use red for columns and give it a very thick line width. 0.4 is not bad. Our wall, I love it to be thick, so for it to show very well for legibility. So 5, 5. Let's go for 4. Let's go for 4. So grid lines, no, I want it so tiny, 0 mm, and the color can still be white. And beams, the color maybe brown or anyone. Just make sure it's showing. So when the thickness should be at least minimal. 0.3 is okay. So I think we are done with this for now. We close down. After closing like this, we have set our walls and we want to begin to sketch out 3 bedroom. I think 3 bedroom is too much. You can just do 1 bedroom self-contained. You understand, with kitchen, so for it to be very fast. So we now have to sketch out our plan, right? So you just go to layer here and select what are we about to do. We are about to do our wall. So select the wall. We are about to do your column, select column. We are about to do your beams, but now we are about to draw lines, which is for wall. So select one. You get. So now after that, you use your line, which is A. This is line. Make it. Come down. So you see it is as tiny as something else, and it is even, you see how it is dancing around. So for it to make it stable, you can just do what? Come down here. You will see this. You see show or hide line width. So it is off. Just on it. Definitely any line that is thick, it will show as thick. If anyone is thick, it will show as not thick. So that one for that. Well, the reason why it is dancing around is because we haven't set the auto. You just come there and what on it. You see, it is now what straight. Okay, so that's for that. So now what we are creating, I think we should work with like maybe half plots. You can just work with like 20 meter by let's go for like 20 meter by 10. 20. We just try to cut everything around. You see, it's very small. You can't see it, so you have to what? Zoom in. What? Zoom in. I think something is wrong here. I think we are here to do something. Let me check. 20. It's very small. Come in, please. Let me check. So welcome back, please. It has been resolved. The thing is that I didn't set the zone, so for us to say that if your system is behaving like that as well, just press zoom on your keyboard. Zoom, ZOOM, enter, and just input maybe like I just input 10, 100,000, 1, 2, 3. Channel that. You might not be able to get to that kind of meter, so just 100,000 millimeter meter. So it will just bring you to this. So by that you can easily want to draw whatever you want to draw now. And we are going for what? As you said, we are going for 20 meters. That's 2,000. 20 meters by what? By, let's go by 10, 23. So let's just work with this. I want us to be very fast. I don't want it to be complex for us to. So that's the external external lines. That's going to be our external word. So for us to share our block, we offset by 2 to 5. So the offset is here. See this? See offset, click it and type 2 to 5, enter. You come here, click it drag it down, don't drag it out. If you are dragging it out, definitely you are adding to that thing, to the 20 meters you are having externally. You understand? So but inside of that 20 meter, inside that 20 meter, we need to check our block. So definitely you are bringing it inside. This one to bring it in, this bring it in, that one to bring it in. You understand? So this is the front of our house, that's the back. So the first thing to deduct I want us to have is just toilet, sitting room, and very nice design. So I'm suggesting we have maybe 5 meters. Let's just go about it roughly. I don't want to take our time. 5 meters for our sitting room. After offsetting 5 meter, I think I'm too fast. 5 meter B. 1, 2, 3. That's 5 meters from the internal wall. Offset it, and after that, click it again. You have to deduct your wall, or show your wall 225. Enter. Click it. Bam. That's your wall. Right. Good. So from here, I want us to offset 5 meters as well. Click it. 5,000. Enter. You can see. Click it again. You know it's showing 5 meters. Don't drop it. Just click 225. Click it. Enter. You understand? That is another easy way to go about that. So that is that about that. So this is our sitting room like this. You understand? But I want us to have a very nice entrance and a visitor's toilet. So here I want us to put our visitor's toilet here, and we have our entrance here. So visitor's toilet should be more than I love to use 1002. 12. Click 12 after selecting your offset. Enter. Click this line. Offset it down. Click it again. You offset it to this is 1 to 1. We need 225. So equals 225. Enter. That is it. So after that, we can have our veranda or terrace entrance to be here. Visitor's toilet to be here. Our sitting room to be here. But mind you that this line is crossing our sitting room. So click your trim. You see this, you see extend, then you see trim. You can just easily trim this. If you are using lower version, you need to press enter before it works. So press enter, then you trim out. So after trimming, so we need just a room and kitchen. So we can get our kitchen around here, get our room here, and what else? Maybe little dining. So let's get ourselves a dining. 3,000. Let's get that one to be the dining. 3,000 abi. Offset again to go 225, not 3,000 again. 225. That's our wall. So after that, you can just get our room to be like, let's make it a little bit bigger, 4,000, right? So 225 again. So after that, you can have our toilet. I think we should have our toilet here. So we'll see this this extends. Let's call it extends because I don't think we are going to make it anymore. So you can just offset it. Why is it doing like this? No. Offset. Trim them up. Just trim everything. This one. Select it and delete. Now this is what we are working with now. And we are having 1 bedroom. It's dining, kitchen, toilet. You understand? Now I want us to have something very fine. I don't want it to just be straight down. At least it should still be a little bit complex. So I want us to give it a recess in which this our toilet won't be like this. So we can just get ourselves a length of 2,005 for our toilet. So from here, which is the internal, we offset it back and offset another what to what back. You understand? So by that you can just trim this. We don't need this line. We don't need this. Just trim this out. Trim it one after the other. I think it's not allowing me to trim them together. So this one too, we don't need because this is where our toilet stops. You understand? So trim this too. our entrance now from here to here, but it's too wide, so let's reduce it to like 1.5 1,500, that's 1.5 meters. So offset it. 1.5 is too small, let's increase it to 2,000. Just type it, you understand. So offset it 2 to 5, enter. So click your trim. I want to extend this line to this place. So just come here, extend, click the line, click the second one, good. You understand? So this one, click another trim. I want to trim this line, we don't need this at all. Trim this, trim the second one, these two, trim it, we don't need them. Now we have our entrance, we have our toilet, we have our kitchen, then we have our room here. So we need toilet, right? We can have our bedroom around there. So 2 meters is a very nice unit actually. 2 to 5 to get that. So click your trim to trim this one off. You don't need them. Trim. No, trim. Now I want us to use this place for, I think we are going to need a store. We're going to need a store for this kitchen, right? So we can get our store like this. We can get our store from here. Okay, let's get our store from here. So just click the offset. Let's offset 1,002 for our store. So from here, 2 to 5. Trim this. We don't need it. We don't need it. We don't need this one too. We don't need this one too. So we need an exit door from our kitchen to the terrace out here. Our terrace is going to be out here. So just get yourself a door. 1,000. Let's use 1,000. I think you should have enough space. It shouldn't be the space for door alone. Offset it to 5 again. So this is now our store, and this is the entrance or exit to our terrace. So from there we have our store. Our terrace starts from anywhere around here. So you can trim this one too. So what else? The door 900. Don't worry, we start our general very soon. Just want to do this for people. Okay, no. Trim this one after the other. I don't know why this thing is open. I'm stronger. So make sure this. Let's increase this one to 2.5 instead of 2,000. The offset again towards 2.5, right? Good. So we delete this now. We don't need this again anymore. So click your trim. This excess that is showing inside the store, trim it off. These ones, no, trim it. I don't know why this trim is working with this. Let me work this. Okay. After trim, this is now our trim it. I wish we can have a very nice all those things doesn't matter. So the terrace is here. I think the terrace should be very long. If it is not bad, I don't want it to be that long. I want to have a recess, a little recess. I just get 1,000 from either external or internal. So anyway, 55. Offset, trim, extend. If you are using trim and you want to turn it to extend, just hold your shift. You see, just hold your shift and it will turn towards extend for you like that, straight up. So you don't need to be switching or changing or picking trim 20 times. You understand? So now we have all this, trim them. Yeah, I love my work to be neat, so I love trimming a lot. So you see this line, these two, it is they are indicating that they are our, what is it called? You are not going to have word there. You are only going to have beam there. So you can just change the thickness after selecting them. Come to line width there. Change it to, I used to change it to 0 mm, and you can just change the line type to broken lines to show that it is what you know, it is their roof. Do you understand? So match property. You know, as well, you are not going to have walls here. And this terrace, kitchen terrace. So you can just match property, click on match property, click on the property you want to replicate, click on the one you are taking it to, enter. So I think we should have a column here, but we are not designing that now. Don't worry, you get to know why we should have a column there. So after that, I'm thinking we should just extend this, not to make our work complex. Yes, I want this thing to be very simple for everybody to get. So we just extend this back. If you are doing it that way, it's going to make our work complex. So I don't want the basics to be fundamental and to be complex. I want the basics to be basic. Okay, you can trim all this if you have the chance. Trim them, trim everything. So let me pause the video now and trim everything and come back. Yes, so I've trimmed everything. I want us to indicate our doors and windows. So for normal entrance area, I used to use 1, 2. So click your offset that you want to. I want the door to be here. So just offset from here. If you want it to be immediately after this door, you can offset it. If you don't want it, you can just put 300 mm there and offset you want to. So click your trim this excess and cut out the door space. That is my door space. For this toilet, to enter the toilet, you need a door. The toilet door is normally 750 mm. I want the door to be around here. Cut it out. I'm supposed to give this toilet lobby for it not to be opening into the sitting directly, but you can't be doing that now. So trim this. This is your our entrance. So to go to the dining, to go to the kitchen, we need something to tell us where to pass. So you can just open to the dining from the sitting room, or get a door to the kitchen. So maybe like 2005 opening, like, so to make it wide. Yeah. So just opening, click your trim, extend. You see, it is extend. Trim this one off, trim, extend this one down. Wow, you understand? So you can just have a fabricated wall here, maybe it's wood or wall or bricks. So you should be looking at your dining, whatever, how anyhow you want it. That's what you want this version. So from our dining kitchen, we need a door. Click your offset 900 is normal door, internal door. I think we should put our door here. Here. Maybe like that. Click your trim, extend it, or trim it off, trim them off, and trim this, one by one. So the entrance to our stone cut 900 as well. From here to here, click your trim, extend, trim, extend, trim. Entrance to store, exit outside to the terrace. Entrance to our room 900 as well. Put it here and have it here. entrance to our bedroom, 750, right? 750 for bedroom. So I have it here. Click trim entrance, trim this one. This is our room, bedroom, store, kitchen, dining, kitchen room, visitor toilet, entrance. There it is. And that is all. If you want to dimension, if you want to label, come here, this is the dimension, linear from one end to another end. To set your dimension, okay, click, type on DIMSTY, DIMST. You see it, this is dim star. Now our dimension is not looking very good, so click on modify. So just change one or two things here. The line width 0, 0. What else? Fix the extension line. You don't want the line to extend, you see. I see the changes, so I want it fixed. So you have the symbol. Architectural tape is not bad. This one is too big. This is one. Let me put it 0.8. So come to text. I don't care. Let me change this text. And that. You want to change the font actually. I don't want to change the font. Come here. So you see different fonts here. Just be scrolling down. You see anyone, if anyone you like. Just anyone. I think I like this one. Apply, close. So the what is it called? The height. That one is too big, so you can just use it to like 2. Let's see what we have when we use 2. So vertical text placement should be centered, not above. ISO standard is okay. Fit, primary units, decimal, alternate unit, tolerances, okay. Set current, close. We now have this, but I think this is still very big, but you can still manage it. So select your dimension again and continue with the rest of your dimension. So after dimension, I will come back when we pause the video now. So now I'm done with the dimension. So yes, I don't need this. I'm done with the dimension. You get, so this is everything. I want us to label it now. Just to label it that this is our bedroom, this is our kitchen. So it comes to multi-text here. Click it. You see single line, you see multi-text. So I used to use single line. You come after clicking, come to any point, just click it, drag it up to the height. You want it to be very big. I don't want it to be too big. Just click and drag it to where you want it to go. I want to write it to my right hand side, so click it. So that's it. So just type anything you want to put. That's we have our living room. Enter to the next one. We have our what? Kitchen. Next what? Dining. We have our store. We have our entrance. We have our bedroom. We have our terrace. What else? I think that's it. Visitors toilet. Enter. Escape. Unfortunately, these things are very big. So let's just change. Let's change the height. Come to annotate here. You see annotate here. Click annotate. We have a very good font here. Let's manage this. So reduce the height by coming here. If you don't see this box outside, this box, just click on yes, just right click and check what properties. Click it. You see it has gone. Click on it and see it is back. So click on everything. I like them and what a bit of the height. This height is too much. So just put it like 200. Okay. Let's check now. I think it is now what minimum I want. Already okay. Bring this one to our living room. Carry the second one. What do we have here? Kitchen, Abby. If you are finding it difficult to move freely, off your auto, off it. You see. So take this one to the kitchen. Take the next one. Dining. Let me pause the video now and put everything in place. Good. Everything is now in what? In place. Everything is now in place. I think we are done. We are done with what? Drafting of our plan. This is what we have now. This is what we have. 12.9 by 10 meters. So we are done with that. So next video like that, we go straight to what? General arrangement. Straight up to what? General arrangement. So see you. Bye bye.